Hello, pool players. Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Tonight, I'm practicing the straight ends, and I'm working on my loose grip. Let me tell you, if you don't have a loose grip when you're shooting these shots, you will not consecutively pocket these balls. And I want to tell you this, I feel very proud. I was able to shoot this in one take, so I had no misses. I begin with shooting the stop shots, and then I work my way up to follow and draw. Now my stop shots are pretty simple. They're a very simple shot. Got the speed down perfect. Did pretty well. Had no side spin on the cue ball. That's my main concern. When I started playing a couple years ago, I used to hit off center on the cue ball, and that will show up when you shoot your stop shots. Just about out here. I shoot 10 in a row. And then I move on to the follow shot. Now the follow shot is tricky, especially from this distance. Notice this is not the Mighty X. The Mighty X, we put the cue ball at the first quadrant, which is where I'm at, but we put the object ball down towards the first diamond out and first diamond up from the corner pocket. So it's very difficult to go from center table on the follow shot. On the contrary, when you'll see me shoot my draw shot, I shoot it from the same position, and that's actually a little bit easier because our cue ball is close to the object ball in this case. I want to point out here that there was an interesting finding. The feedback I was getting when I would grip my cue just a bit too tight, in other words, not really use just my thumb and middle finger on my follow through, because that's what I'm really trying to do here. But when I would grip just a little too tight or roll the cue in my hand, I could feel it. I would veer my shot offline. Even though I was making the ball, I was not following the cue ball into the corner pocket sometimes. And you'll see here that I'm really starting to, get a feel for my grip here. It's all about the grip, you guys. There I missed one. And, the ones you miss, I will say this, that's the best one because that's going to give you that feedback so that you can make the adjustment. And there I did. So now we're off to the draw shot. Now I want you to pay close attention here to where the cue ball goes after I draw this back. You're going to see that I'm consistently going to my left. Now that one there did go to my right, which was a rare one, but watch the rest of these. And I'm going to have to work on my draw stroke. I have a pretty good draw stroke, but when I get out there at distance, this is about the limit to where I'm, not so accurate. Any further out, it becomes even worse. But there is some hope, light at the end of the tunnel. Because of this consistent, pull to my left, I can make adjustments here. And I'm trying to do that actually now, but I'm not really succeeding. So I need to go back to the drawing board and work on this a little bit more. I am seeing that I'm striking the cue ball in the center. I'm not putting side spin on it, which is good, but I am consistently pulling it to my left. So there is a reason for that, and I'll have to work on that. This is an exceptional exercise that will really work on your stroke and especially your grip pressure. So go ahead and give this a try. Leave some questions and comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.